Hello, and thank you for joining us. This research is on academic performance and the need for cognition by Angela Fagan, Destiny Tarver, Jennifer Tisdale-Morgan, and myself, Dania Vasquez-Chacon. Need for cognition is the engagement in and enjoyment of challenging cognitive activities and defined as intrinsic motivation for effortful cognitive learning. Therefore, people who prefer intellectually stimulating activities have been defined as having a greater need for cognition. Previous studies have found a link between the need for cognition and an elaborate central information processing style that has a strong correlation towards academic performance. This study aims to establish a correlation between academic performance and the need for cognition, consistent with our hypothesis that student academic performance is influenced by their need for cognition.
Hello, my name is Destiny Tarver, and for this study, researchers surveyed participants who attended California State University during the spring 21 semester. Participants acquired the survey through a link that was posted on a Canvas discussion board. The survey was completed through Qualtrics and took approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete. The survey consisted of 2 parts. Part 1 included questions related to academics. Part 2 consisted of an 18-item need for cognition scale. The demographics section included 4 questions in relation to grade point average, the current number of units enrolled in, education level, and if English is the participant's primary language. In addition, participants were asked about their level of satisfaction with their studies. Upon completing the survey, participants were debriefed and given the option to download a copy of the debrief form for their records.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Tisdale-Morgan. I will be sharing the results of our research. Participants' need for cognition scale scores ranged from 42 to 83 out of 90 points possible. The mean score was 58.86. Participants ranked academic achievement from 1 far above average to 5 far below average, with 75% self-assessing as above average. How academic achievement has prepared participants for the workforce or graduate school was ranked from 1 extremely well to 5 not well at all. The mean score was 2.5, with only 57% reporting extremely or very well. The mean grade point average of participants was 3.5. A series of Pearson correlations were done to determine if there was a relationship between need for cognition and academic performance. As reflected on the table, there was no significant relationship between need for cognition and any other measure of academic performance used. As you can see on the GPA and need for cognition scatter plot, the goodness of fit line is flat, also indicating there is no significant relationship.
Hello, my name is Angela Fagan. Our group discussed the relationship between students' need for cognition and academic performance. The survey was done to assess if a student's need for cognition was reflective of academic success, either a greater need for cognition and greater scores, or a lower need for cognition and lower success rates. Our findings are that the need for cognition does not significantly differ and thereby does not affect the student's grades. These results may, however, not allow for the changes in the class formatting due to COVID and the online venue. There could be other unforeseen limitations since this study was inclusive of only psychology students that were juniors and seniors and not a more varied populace. It is recommended that any further research contains samples from a more diverse population.
Thank you for watching our presentation.